the amount of data that gets used on these devices is just so huge that the cell phone companies and they just can't afford to deploy infrastructure quick enough to keep up. Okay, so every time they want to expand capacity, they can't just add radios. They typically have to buy more spectrum on top of the radio. And it costs billions and billions. So we can deploy, or they can deploy, infrastructure like this with Wi-Fi at a fraction of the cost, literally 1/10 of the cost, and offload those 3G networks. Now, so 2 years ago, they were like, we don't have a problem, we're not interested. Now they've realized that it's a huge problem, and the simplest way of solving that problem is to use Wi-Fi. So I think one of the major trends we're expecting to see, well, we know is happening in the cellular world right now, is the move from the macro cell architecture to small cell architectures. And that's certainly one of the main focuses for Ruckus Wireless. We're a well-established Wi-Fi company, been around for a few years, been exceedingly successful in the enterprise world, and over the last few years have become very successful again as a Wi-Fi vendor in the cellular world. And as the advent of small cells has been taking off, there's an increased interest now in adding Wi-Fi technology to small cells themselves. So now you end up with a multi-radio technology, both cellular technology and Wi-Fi within the same system.